Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Today I'll be providing you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of July 2026. Before we dive in, let's take a look at some of the key figures for all of our local markets relative to July of last year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $708,000, which is down by 4.3%. The total number of listings was 320, down by 12.6%. The total number of sales was 143, down by 12.8%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $657,000, down by 4.7%. In Waterloo, it was $698,000, up by 2.7%. And in Cambridge, it was $647,000, down by 6.2%. July brought a more measured pace to the Guelph market, with both buyers and sellers showing greater selectivity. The median sale price settled at $708,000, while the time it took to sell a home increased. At the same time, new listings and sales both decreased, meaning that there was less overall market activity on both sides than a year ago. Despite the softer numbers, Guelph technically remained in a balanced market territory, which is an important distinction from a seller's market or a buyer's market. The market is not showing signs of being overwhelmed with inventory. Rather, buyers are just taking longer to make decisions, and sellers are facing less urgency from purchasers. With fewer homes on the market, well-priced and well-positioned properties can still attract attention, but sellers may need to be more patient and realistic about both price and timing. For buyers, this environment continues to provide an opportunity to take a more thoughtful approach, compare properties, and negotiate without the pressure of a highly competitive market. And for sellers, the message is equally clear. Preparation and pricing matter. Homes that stand out and align with current buyer expectations are much better positioned to sell, while properties that enter the market ahead of where buyers see the value may require adjustments down the road. In August, we expect the market to remain relatively balanced, although the typical summer slowdown may keep activities somewhat restrained. If inventory remains controlled, we could see prices stabilize as buyers and sellers continue to adjust to the current environment. The key theme for the remainder of the summer is likely to be quality over quantity. Buyers will remain selective, while sellers who understand their specific neighborhood and price range will be best positioned to navigate the market successfully. If you're considering buying, selling, or making a move, I would be happy to help you. Feel free to reach out to me to discuss your goals, and we can create a plan that works well for you. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.